friends, it's Miss Lohse from Early Learning Preschool. I have another fun paper folding activity. Today we're going to explore the shape of a paper. We're going to do some counting, and we're going to use our finger and hand muscles to fold paper. For this activity, you just need one piece of paper and a flat surface to fold on. Get your paper. Let's start.
Put a piece of paper in front of you. What do you notice about the paper? I notice my paper has 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. I also notice that 2 of the sides are long and 2 of the sides are short. If you have 2 long sides and 2 short sides, what shape would that make? That's right, a rectangle. Do you know we can take this big rectangle and make lots of little rectangles by folding our paper? Come try with me. So you're going to put your paper in front of you. You're going to hold it down and we're going to make the first fold. Bring the sides together, push down, make that crease. How many rectangles do you think we made? One, 2. Let's try to make some more rectangles. Fold your paper back, and then you're going to fold your paper up. Push down to make that crease. How many rectangles do you think we made? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we started with 1 large rectangle. Now we have 4 smaller rectangles. Let's keep going. Fold your paper back, fold it up. Then you're going to fold it over again. Push down onto that crease. Let's see how many rectangles we made. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 rectangles. Let's keep going. We're going to fold our paper up, push down, make sure you unfold your paper carefully. We have a lot more rectangles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 rectangles. Do you think we can make some more? Unfold your paper. Wow, we have a lot of rectangles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. We made 32 small rectangles. We started with one large rectangle and made 32 small rectangles. Feel free to continue to fold your paper to make more rectangles.
32 rectangles? Can you keep folding to make more? Well, join me next time for another fun paper folding activity. Bye!